Hi! In front of me is T-Mobile phone 6 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. You need to start by opening settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Then tap on System. Now you need to click on Languages and Input at the top. Select on-screen keyboard over here and click on Gboard. Finally, select Theme section. Now you can scroll all the way down and click on Show More at the bottom left corners to see all available keyboards. When you're ready, just click on the best one for you. Manage keyboards thanks to this switcher and tap on Apply in order to save it. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of mine has changed. But you can always go into the same settings and tap on this plus icon under my themes instead. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. If you can't find it over here, tap on those two lines at the top left corner. Select one of your sources and click on the photo then. Now pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, you can adjust brightness of it after clicking Next by swiping left or right. Now click on Done and manage key borders. Finally, select Apply. If you wish to make some changes to your keyboard, just click on it, tap on this pen icon over here and adjust your keyboard one more time. Then adjust brightness, choose Save, manage key borders and tap on Apply. When I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. In order to delete one of your keyboards, go into the same settings, click on the chosen one and tap on this bin icon here. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!